So I have got one GME aspirant with me. He is soon going to appear for the interview. So we will conduct a mock interview for Ankesh Singh. So we will find out about him and his knowledge. So let us start the mock interview. So Ankesh, tell me about yourself first.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Ankit Singh. I belongs to Buxar, Bihar. I have done my matriculation exam in 2015, where I got 8.8 CGPA, and I have done my intermediate exam in 2017, where I got 71% marks. And now I am pursuing BTech Mechanical Engineering from Nalanda College of Engineering, Chandi, Nalanda, Bihar, and I am in 8th semester. I have been class representative of mechanical branch, and I have been participated in football match, and also organized the annual function as a team member. I am a goal oriented person and having more interest to know how the engine works. And my strength is to do work with my 100% efficiency. I expect a career where I can learn lot of challenge and experience. My hobbies are to read spiritual books and traveling. Thank you, sir.
So it was nice. So can you tell me who is the shipping minister of India?
What, sir?
Who is the shipping minister of India?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
No problem. We will concentrate on the core subject now. So first of all, I will be starting from the IC engine. So
Yes, sir.
which engine is used on board? Can you tell me
Sir, two-stroke engine.
why?
Sir, because two-stroke engine have less maintenance and it have the higher weight to power ratio, and and sir, it can use low grade fuel, and it produces more power so that I so that we can load more cargo and transports from one place to another place.
Tell me the parts of IC engine.
Sir, cylinder head, uh, inlet valve and exhaust valve, piston, connecting rod, crankshaft, camshaft, and Gaussian pin, crank pin. And that's all, sir.
What is the material of piston?
Sir, material of piston is generally is made up of casting iron and alloys of metal, sir.
Can you tell me the function of rocker arm? Rocker arm.
Sir, rocker arm is the part of the valve mechanism. It takes the linear motions from the push rod and converted into the rotatory motion. It regulates the opening and closing of the inlet and exhaust valve. That is the function of the rocker arm.
What is tappet clearance?
It is the space between the tappet clearance is the space between the top yoke of valve and the sir and the cam, sir.
Are you sure?
No, sir. Sorry, sir. Sir, it is the space between the rocker arm and top yoke of the valve.
That's better.
Yes.
Can you tell me the working of valve mechanism?
Sir, valve mechanism is used to opening and closing of the valve. The parts of the valve mechanism is uh, camshaft, cam, tappet, push rod, rocker arm, and a spring and the valves. Camshaft is attached to the crankshaft by a belt or a gear. It takes it takes motions from the crankshaft, and camshaft had the cam. it lifts up the tappet, and due to this linear motion in the push rod, and push rod gives the push rod gives the linear motions to the rocker arm, where rocker arm converts the linear motion into the rotary motion, and rocker arms regulates the opening and closing of the inlet and exhaust valve of the engine.
What is hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is scavenging?
Sir, the process of exhaust the burnt gases and comes in the fresh air is called the scavenging.
Types of scavenging?
Sir, there are the three types of the scavenging: loop scavenging, uniflow scavenging, and cross-flow scavenging.
Can you tell me the what is octane number and cetane number?
Yes, sir. Sir, cetane number is generally used for the less knocking in the petrol engine, and octane number is generally used for the less knocking in the diesel engine.
Okay. Tell me about the working of marine exhaust gas turbocharger.
Yes, sir. Marine gas turbocharger is mainly used to less fuel usage. Sir, there is the turbine and shaft and centrifugal blower. The shaft is attached to the turbine, and shaft is also attached to the centrifugal compressor. When the exhaust gas out from the engine, it goes onto the turbine. Due to this, turbine rotates, and turbine will also rotates the shaft, and due to the shaft rotates, centrifugal compressor will also rotates. Centrifugal compressor takes air from the surroundings and compress the air, and it passes through the intercooler, and due to this density of the air increases, and it increase the volumetric efficiency and the power of the engine. That is the marine gas turbocharger.
Tell me the component of VCRS cycle.
Sir, the component of the VCRS cycles are evaporator, compressor, condenser, and thermostatic expansion valve.
Are they in series?
Sir, in series, sir, compressor, condenser, thermostatic expansion valve, and evaporator.
What is the function of thermostatic expansion valve?
Sir, thermostatic expansion valve is used to low the pressure, high pressure and temperature of the liquid refrigerants. It have the orifice tubes in which the high pressure liquid refrigerants passes through it, and orifice decrease the volume. Due to this, temperature will also decrease, and when temperature will decrease, pressure will also decrease.
What is the function of evaporator?
What, sir? Yes, sir, evaporator. Sir, evaporator is used to absorb the heat from the storage space, and yes, sir. Sir, evaporator is used to absorb the space from the storage space to maintain the lower temperature from the surrounding.
Can you tell me the properties of refrigerant?
Yes, sir. The properties of refrigerant is it should have the low boiling point, and should have the high critical temperature, low corrosion in nature, and low explosion. And sir, that's all, sir.
The properties are very less that you have told me. Okay. Tell me the refrigerant used on board ship.
Sir, R404A and sir R410A, R410A, and R407A.
Any other you want to mention?
Sir, R132A, sir, which is mostly used on the
132.
R. Yes, sir, 132A, sir.
Are you sure?
Sir, I am not totally sure, sir.
It is 132 or 134A?
Yes, sir, 134A, sir. Sorry, sir.
Better. Can you tell me the basic gas law?
Basic gas law, sir. Sir, as I remember, sir, PV is equals to nRT.
I'm talking about the Boyle's law. Charles law, basic law.
Sir, I have remembered, but at that time, sir,
No
I have
problem.
read, sir, but at that time I have not remembered.
Classification of pumps.
Sir, there are the two types of the pumps. Sir, a positive displacement pump and rotodynamic pump. Rotodynamic pump is subdivided into two parts: centrifugal pump and axial flow pump. And positive displacement pump is subdivided into two parts: reciprocating pump and sir, gear pump, sir.
Working of centrifugal pump.
Sir, centrifugal pumps is a hydraulic machine which is used to converts the mechanical energy into the hydraulic energy. There are the four main components: impeller, suction pipe with a foot valve, casing, and delivery pipe.
What is the working?
Sir, working is that, sir, when impeller is attached to the shaft, uh, when the impeller rotates, there is the suction created in the suction pipe. Due to this, suction pipe sucks waters from the sump level and goes into the casing, where casing imparts a centrifugal force on the water, and the area and the structure of the casing in such a way that the uh, the kinetic energy is decreases, and due to this pressure energy increases, and that way the water goes into the delivery pipe and deliver at the required height.
Can you tell me the parts of centrifugal pump?
Yes, sir. Sir, impeller, casing, delivery pipe, and suction pipe with a foot valve and a shaft, sir.
Delivery pipe and suction pipe. These are the not part of centrifugal pump. Have you seen anywhere they are the part of centrifugal pump? Can you tell me what is drifting disc?
What, sir?
What is drifting disc?
Sir, I am not read, sir.
No problem. Can you define me the nozzle and venturi meter?
Yes, sir. Nozzle is used to increase the velocity of the fluid, and venturi meter is used to create the suction. Yes, sir, that's
No problem. What is the direction of rotation of impeller in centrifugal pump?
Sir, that depends on the discharging of the fluid sides. Sir, when the discharging of the fluid is in left direction, then the impeller will rotate in the, sir, anti-clockwise. And when the discharge side is right side, then the impeller will rotate clockwise.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Let us suppose that the casing area has been decreasing in the left side. So in which direction the impala will be rotating?
What, sir? In which side decreasing, sir?
The casing area has been decreasing from the right to the left side. In which direction did the impala will be rotating?
Sir, anti-clockwise, sir.
So it does really matter in which side the discharge is. It
No, sir.
matters on
Sorry,
the
sir.
area of decreasing of the casing.
Area. Yes, sir. Area of casing, sir.
Okay, no problem. What is priming?
Sir, it is the process of filling of water and extracts the air from the suction pipe. That is the priming, sir.
What is boiler?
Boiler is a closed vessel in which we heat the water and produce a steam.
What is difference between accessories and mounting?
Sir, mountings are the safety which is mounted on the boiler for the knowing what happens in the boiler. And boiler accessory is used to increase the efficiency of the boiler, sir.
Can you tell me some mountings?
Yes, sir. Water level indicator, safety valve, fusible plug, and feed check valve. That's all.
What is the working of fusible plug?
Sir, fusible plug is used to put off the fire in the furnace when the level of water goes down below. It avoids the explosion of the boiler from the overheating of the boiler. It is generally made up of gunmetal body and copper.
Can you explain me the three-phase induction motor working?
Yes, sir. Sir, three-phase induction motor is supplied with the three-phase AC supply. It is widely used on the ship. There are the two main parts: a stator and rotor. A stator is the stationary part of the motor. It have the three-phase winding coils which is attached to the three-phase AC supply. When the current goes through these windings, there is the rotating magnetic field produces. And rotor is the moving part of the motor, and it have the laminated cylinder core. Yes, sir. And when the three phase AC supply current goes into the three phase winding coils, then there is the generation of the rotating magnetic field. Sir, I am not, sir, prepared well, sir.
What is governor? Function of governor?
Sir, function of governor is used to control the control or regulate the uses of flow of fuels in the engines.
Irrespective
When
of
the
load
when
or not?
Yes, sir, it depends on the load, sir. When the loads is more, then it regulates more fuel into the engine.
Can you tell me what is NDT?
Sir, the full form of NDT is non-destructive test. It is used to detect the damage in the any material without damage the metals. Sometimes there is the crack in the materials. We do not see through the naked eye, and in this case we use the NDT test, sir.
Can you name some of the processes?
Sir, no, sir, I have not remember, sir.
So Ankesh, I will suggest you,
Yes, sir.
you have a lot of time right now, so
Yes,
better to
sir.
prepare well and go through the my website marianadk.blogspot.com. I have mentioned
Yes,
all
sir.
the questions. I don't know, do you know about it or not? But
I know.
go through it once and try to crack the
Yes, sir.
answers. You have the good voice, good clear pitch, you know the basics, but you have fear to answer the question, you are forgetting some answers. I don't know what's the real exact reason behind it, but you can do better
Okay.
and you can be get selected
Yes.
in the company, but you have to perform very well. Some of the basic question you have not answered and some of the question you have performed well. So I would suggest you to prepare well. You have lots of time.
Okay, sir.
If you want some help, I can help you. I can give you my friend's number who are preparing. So you
Yes,
can
sir.
contact them and get the right answer or correct answer.
Okay, sir.
And you can do. And you can clear the interview, I believe. Your
Thank you,
IC
sir.
engine is good. What you have lacked somewhere around FM, fluid mechanics in the pump part and
Yes,
electrical
sir.
part. And you
Yes, sir.
also very basic question entity you have to answer the entity. The interviewer is very much interested in the entity question.
Yes, sir.
So you have to concentrate well. Apart from that, the properties you mentioned for the refrigerant that were very less, you have to learn more
Yes, sir.
properties.
I have a study, sir, but I cannot forward because I have not remembered at that time, sir.
That's the main agenda behind the mock interview. No? You have to deliver well. So I would suggest
Yes,
before the mock interview, you self-prepare, self-explain the answer to you. Looking at the mirror, it will be better for you.
yes, sir.
What the main thing was lagging is the communication skill.
Yes, sir.
The interviewer don't know how much you know. Interviewer will be knowing only the thing how much you deliver to it. So delivery is most
Yes.
important. So it was great to have you. So prepare well and all the best for it.
Thank you, sir.